The AZZUNO AC/DC TIG Welder 200A is a versatile machine with 7 distinct welding functions, making it suitable for a variety of materials including aluminum and stainless steel. This welder offers a pulse TIG feature that enhances precision and cleanliness of welds, particularly beneficial for aluminum welding with its selectable modes. With an advanced MCU digital control system, users can fine-tune parameters for each weld, achieving a high level of customization and precision. The welder's intelligent automatic save function remembers previous settings, allowing users to easily resume their work without the hassle of readjusting parameters. Included with the welder is a comprehensive set of accessories, ensuring that users have everything they need for a wide range of welding tasks. The compact and lightweight design of the AZZUNO welder makes it a portable solution for professionals who require mobility and efficiency in their welding equipment.